Hello guys, it's Tracy with Scratch Kitchen, and this meal is not going to be one you do from scratch, but it's going to be a make your own takeout copycat meal. We love the chicken sandwich at Burger King. What I don't like is paying up to $4 to $5 for it. But put your keys down, because I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing right at home. And if you live in the north like we do, you don't want to get out in the cold once you're home. I'll give me just a second. Alright. Take 2 commercial little chicken patties, breaded. You're going to put them in an oven of some kind. Whatever you have. If you have one of these little air fryer things, that's perfectly fine to use. And all you do is hit a button. I'm going to turn this down to 350. That'll be it. I'll bring you back when those are heated up and we're ready to put them on the bun.